Hi there. In this video, we're going to be checking out this FIFINE AmpliGame USB microphone. Opening it up, right on top, we've got the manual, then a USB cable, the mic itself, and a little mic stand. Here's everything in detail. Starting with the manual. It's in color and has everything you need to know to get this mic up and running. Next, here's the mic stand. It's cute, feels sturdy, and has a very compact design. Then there's this USB Type-C cable. It has a nice length to it and feels very high quality. The USB Type-A end can also become a USB Type-C end with this little built-in adapter. Very impressive and versatile. Now, here's the microphone itself. It looks well designed. It has a built-in pop filter, and on the bottom, you've got shock absorbers to mitigate vibrations. There's also a volume knob, and on top, there's a touch capacitive mute button. Here's how to attach the stand. You just screw it in. You can also adjust the angle you want the mic to be pointed. The stand works well too. Next, I'll be connecting the mic to my laptop. Plugging it in, it lights up. It looks even better now. The mic was instantly recognized by my laptop. I didn't need to install any drivers. I just had to choose which mic I wanted to use for the recording and done. Before recording, make sure it's not muted and the mic volume is turned up. Now, as for the audio test, how does it sound? This entire voiceover was recorded with this very mic. I would highly recommend this mic, especially if you don't have a dedicated one. This can really level up your Zoom calls and gaming sessions. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.